Tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Dreaming of financial freedom but feeling lost? You're not alone. Millions are searching for the perfect budgeting app to take control of their finances. But with so many options out there, how do you choose? Today, we're diving deep into a budget battle royale, YNAB versus EveryDollar. Let's find out which app reigns supreme. Both YNAB, you need a budget, and EveryDollar promise to help you ditch debt and achieve your financial goals. But they take very different approaches. YNAB. Focus. YNAB emphasizes giving every dollar a job. This means assigning every dollar you earn to a specific purpose, whether it's rent, groceries, or that dream vacation. Key features. For rules, YNAB is built around 4 core rules that guide your budgeting philosophy. Budgeting philosophy, it emphasizes mindful spending and prioritizing your needs over wants. Flexibility, offers a flexible budgeting method that adapts to your income and expenses. EveryDollar. Focus, EveryDollar promotes a zero-based budgeting method. This means ensuring that every dollar you earn is accounted for, leaving no room for overspending. Key features. Simplicity, known for its user-friendly interface and straightforward approach. Christian-based, founded by Dave Ramsey, EveryDollar incorporates Christian financial principles. Community, offers a strong community and support system for users. Let's break it down. Ease of use, EveryDollar generally wins here. Its interface is incredibly intuitive, making it easy for beginners to grasp. YNAB has a steeper learning curve, but its flexibility can be a powerful tool once you understand its core principles. Cost, EveryDollar offers a free basic plan with limited features. YNAB requires a subscription, but many users find the investment worthwhile. Flexibility, YNAB reigns supreme in flexibility. Its budgeting method adapts to your unique financial situation, allowing for unexpected expenses and adjustments. EveryDollar is more rigid, which can be both a pro and a con depending on your needs. Community and support, EveryDollar has a strong community and active support forums, while YNAB offers excellent customer support. What do real users say? Many YNAB users praise its effectiveness in changing their spending habits and achieving financial goals. EveryDollar users often appreciate its simplicity and the strong community support. Ultimately, the best budgeting app for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. Choose YNAB if you are willing to invest time and effort in learning a more complex but flexible budgeting method. You prioritize a strong budgeting philosophy and value a personalized approach. Choose EveryDollar if you prefer a simple and easy-to-use interface. You're looking for a budget-friendly option with a strong community and support system. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Consider your financial goals, your personality, and your tech savviness. Many apps even offer free trials, so experiment and see which one clicks with you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.